What is going on, everybody? It is Nice Pants Lance, and we are doing another install today on the Speed Twin. I'll try and make it short and sweet for you guys, but basically I was ripping this thing down a trail in the middle of the freaking woods, and I saw a fallen branch that was basically covering the whole path. I had no choice. I had to go either power through it or try and like stop and navigate the trail, and unfortunately, I decided just to power through it, and in the process, I kind of scuffed up my case a little bit. So, a little upset at that. Not the end of the world. But because of that, I decided to purchase some case protectors from R&G Racing. And I want to show you guys how to install those. When I got these, it comes with a short protector for the short side, and it comes with this, you know, boomerang shaped protector for the most obvious side. Obviously three bolts for this one and 2 for the other. Make sure not to get them mixed up. The 2 bolts for this side are actually longer, so if you notice, these bolts are not the same length. Make sure you keep the 2 separated. Obviously, this little recessed area is for one of these stickers. You're gonna put the 3rd bolt through there and then cover it up with the sticker to match this side. They look pretty good. They look, I don't know, they look decent. I hope it doesn't ruin the aesthetic of my bike, but it would be nice to have a little peace of mind and a little extra protection. So the tools you're gonna need for this job is just an 8mm socket and a 4mm Allen wrench, and that's it. On a scale of difficulty from 1 to 10, 1 being the easiest, 10 being the hardest, I'd rate this a freaking 0. It was easy as hell. You don't need any, you hardly need skill at all to do this. As long as you got Allen wrenches and a socket set, this job is cake. So far, I don't know if I like it. I'm not sure if I like it. I don't know. It kind of messes with the look. I like the very slimmed down look of this engine case, and I think it messes with the aesthetic a little bit. I don't know. You know, maybe if I had the stunting and wheelie skill to come along with it, these case protectors would be probably a little cooler, but I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. If this helped you at all, please leave a like. If you want to see more like this, please subscribe. Later.